good evening. We're gonna go out. This is going to be This is going to be our first walk since we arrived. Time to walk again in BGC. From Bangkok to BGC.
Yes.
Yes. Igo lang ako. Products na dinala mo. Hello!
Isa maaga mo naman. Alam ko pala kayo. Yes. Oh.
Welcome, welcome!
Sa Korean, di ba ganun pag Korean nagbibigay ng tissue?
Ano nga tawag mo?
Tapos, magpo-4 na.
Oo, nandun pa kayo. Na-realize ko lang. Alam mo, pinutin. Sabi ko kayo, wala akong sinelas na dalaw.
Hindi, meron siya. Okay lang. Okay lang.
Ang dami ko sinelas nga. Pero nag-war kami ng Marvel. Yung dawak masyado oily.
Sino may sabi?
Ng doktor.
Dapat sinabi mo, wala kang pakialam sa face ko. Tayo pala yun. Akala ko dapat ganun sinabi mo, Zoom.
Grabe mga conversations ngayon
Wala
na.
kang pakialam sa face ko kung baby.
Happy birthday!
Ang malaki kay Chaka dyan.
Ike and BBG.
Oo nga.
Ikaw yung tatlo din. Ay, siya pala muna.
Siya muna.
Eh, siya pala ba yung high pitch ko?
Happy birthday! Joke lang.
Uy, bilisan mo, ubus na.
Ganun lang. Walang birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday yan! Birthday na ni Ed!
Ayun.
Ano si yung Carlos Agassi?
Yeah.
Ulit.
Take two.
Happy
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Ano naman? Welcome.
You're glad that you have come. Ang luma. Bakit welcome sa akin? Welcome. Seryoso ba talaga ito kanta?
Always there to be strong and to lean on.
May we learn to
Wow, kabisado!
Thank you, Sam. Thank you.
Alam mo,
Grabe.
napakarami natin. Ang daming cake. Kaya,
Grabe. Ito na yung mga sineselebrate natin ngayon.
Alright. At walang alak ha.
Wait lang. Wait
In
lang.
fairness, thank you. Tama nga na dito lang tayo kasi nag-i-scandal eh. Kasi hindi mo sa restaurant
Ang labas.
Hindi talaga.
Unless al fresco.
Oo, correct.
Someday meet again, having for more than reminiscing. Maybe this time. Hindi ka na alam. Maybe
come with me. On the wings of love, a better road to travel's the only way to fly.
Mamakalmot ka.
And if into my dream you'll come and touch me once again, I'll just keep on dreaming till my heart is set to do the things I
Yes, go Mikey. Yes. Sino yan? Donna? Wow, Monica Regine.
Let me know
Go Monica.
that I can
Yeah.
I can reach the heavens above. I can right what is wrong. I can sing just any song. I can be your good friend.
Wow.
Dapat pila tayo lahat. Yung ano.
I can see the stars all the way from here.
Balik mo.
Can't you see the light on the window pane?
Uy, naglalawag kami ng sarili mo ba? Ay, okay. Napakagal mo naman.
Oy, wow!
Phone, para maganda yung album natin.
Sana nag-signal pa ako tayo. I can see the stars all the way from here. Can't you see on the window pane? Every time you touch me, I just stop believing. Everybody asks me why I'm smiling after waiting to hear. But I know that you put me first. And it's you. You're the one I love. You're the one I need. You're the only one I see. Come on, baby, it's you.
Ito pala bang top? Top, 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 top. Sino sunod? Yes!
After fighting through mountains, I just
Ikaw na yung part ko.
finally you put me apart.
It's you. You're the one I love. The only one I see.
Oh, you don't want to know it's cool. When it is,
Monica!
Monica, ikaw na! Monica!
Come on, baby, it's you. Come on, it's you. Oh, you know what? I can always count. Baby, baby, it's you.
Yabang mo ah. Jaya? Ay, ate! Nakano yan? Ako. Matapos na? Nag-excited ka? Parang mapapahiya. Nag-excited ka sa mapapahiya. Ano na? Ganyan dapat na! Lena girl, Lena yan!
The days when the sun was so cruel.
Yes.
Face, whisper, you will be like this.
Monica, Monica. Ganun yung cortina. Ganun yung cortina.
I can barely repair, but it's all coming back to me now. with you since
Happy birthday, boy! Back to me now.
I can barely recall what it's like coming back to me
Every now and then I get a little bit nervous that the best of all days are gone by.
Turn around.
Every now and then I get a little bit terrified.
Together we can take it to the end of the line. Your love is like a shadow on me all the time. There's nothing I can do. Total eclipse of the heart. Your love is like a shadow on me all the time. I live hurricane, give us fun. I need you tonight. Nothing I can say. Total eclipse of the heart. Marco. I see it.
Oh, ano lang next? Dapat pag...
Wow.
Walang nakapila, no? Walang pila.
Wala bang ganyan?
I wanna dance with somebody.
Ayan, maganda yan.
Kaya
Wow, alam din ko simula na.
Ish, kailan na ang Let's Get Loud? Iniintay ng, ano...
Pakainin muna natin ng pizza para may pangalan. O dancing queen. Dancing queen. I will survive ganyan. Ish. I chase my blues away. I've done right up until now. It's the light of day that shows me how. I wanna dance with somebody. Woo! I wanna be living with somebody. With somebody who loves me. I wanna dance with somebody. Yes. I wanna dance with somebody.
Paano lang yung dito?
Ay, diba?
Diba?
Let's get loud na daw.
Iniintay ko yung...
Hindi na natin ito kay
Hindi mo na kay-ish.
Ayan na, Let's Get Loud na. Ang, ano, request.
Ish. Lord is yours.
Ayun, yun natin.
Yes.
Yan natin sa
Yeah. Ikaw muna eh.
Let me say it.
Ang yun. Ladies and gentlemen.
Paano entrance, Ish?
Presenting the original Carmese.
Pampira!
Let's dance it!
Turn the music up and do it. Come on, people, let's get loud. Let's get loud. Woo! Gagana pa si Isho pa tayo kung Pili ko miss na ni Bianca. Bianca, para sa'yo.
Okay na. Monica, let's go. Let's go, Monica. Come on. Left. Okay, let's go. To the left. Get loud. Let's get loud. Get loud.
pasok eh. Pag galing na tono.
Let's get loud. What you gotta do? Come on, ladies. Pwede rin kasi. Pwede rin kasi. Pwede sa lahat ng song. Koyo, alala mo Koyo?
Anybody can be that guy. Not as young as the music's high.
Taray na yun.
Pwede tayo.
May drone.
Yes! Go!
Okay.
Korea guys, let's go.
You are the dancing queen, young and sweet,
Yeah.
simply. You must be tambourine. Oh, yeah.
Yes, go Monica!
Having the time of our life. Ooh, see that girl. Julia B. Oh, is she B?
Who is she? Oh, is she?
Change costume si Will.
Hinaan mo natin.
Ikot na kami. And when you are the dancing queen, young and sweet, only 17.
Only 40.
Only 41.
17 plus. Ay, huwag na lang. Mat pala, mat pala. Huwag ka lang pa.
Medyo mababa.
Yes!
Huwag mo tawanan.
Sinigilig kasi siya. Yes!
Yan na. Yan na. Dok lang.
Go, Richie!
Dok lang.
Go, sweet!
Yes! This is a is.
Yung nasa Manila na sinusubo pa sa Cavite.
Oo.
Magkano po?
Magkano yun, Monica? 60?
150 pagka overnight na.
Overnight na kayo?
Oo, basta lumambas ng 12. Baka nasa lang.
Natulog doon?
Baka nasa car.
May ticket. Lumambas ng...
Pag lumang makita mo,
Klang, tubig mo.
makakaiwan siya.
Klang, tubig mo.
Inilit na kasi yung ticket.
Nakakasosyal yung ref ha. Na-enjoy ko talaga siya.
Natutunan mo?
Was it a good experience? Press 1.
Sabi ni Marco kanina, pinili mo lang yung water. So water. Tapos nakaganan lang ako. Tapos tumitingin ako kung may magre-rescue sa akin. Tanggol.
Patulog.
Mo rin malamat.
Ito na yun, ang bilis naman.
Ako, sinusok ko na agad sa bag.
Marami pa rin tao.
Kasi gimikan to eh. Gimikan tong labas.
Plano mo ba yun? Bye, Richie! Okay.
Bye!
Ikaw, alam mo saan ka nakapire.
Saan ka nakapark? Saan sila? Diyan sila nakapark. Buti nakakapag-drive ka pa dito.
Lumalabas ang Manila drivers. Talaga. Parang una parang, oh my gosh, mga after 30 minutes, wala na ganun. Aggressive driving, kaya ka lang. Kaya.
Grabe.
Hinahawi Ito yung galit na galit sa akin. Hinahawi ko na ulit yung mga nagmomoto. Yung pag nakagdalawa silang ganyan, sinita ko sila. Tapos, kaya ayusin ko yung lane ko. Kaya ko, kung mamoto kayo, doon na lang kayo sa isang lane. At may yung dalawang lane pa yung kukunin nyo. Galit na galit sa akin. So, you babe, you can't push them. I'm not pushing them. I'm just leading them to the right direction. Babe, it's nice to see you.
Bye-bye.
Till next.
Ingat po. Kaya mo naman mag-drive.
Ingat ha.
Bye-bye.
We're going out. Tayo turista lang dati na tumatawid dito. We're gonna go to Landmark to do some grocery. Have an interview at 9 a.m. We're off to SM Aura. Bago na naman, oh. Happy birthday! Bakit na naisipan dito? Hindi, magbababay lang siya. I hope you're having a good time.